You've just driven your Tesla for hundreds of miles, the battery's running low, and you're staring at a supercharger station. A rush of questions floods your mind. How does this thing work? Will it be fast enough? What about the cost? Fear not, electric adventurer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla superchargers. Let's demystify this charging magic. First things first, what exactly is a supercharger? It's Tesla's proprietary network of high-speed charging stations, designed specifically for their electric vehicles. Think of it as a pit stop for your Tesla, only way cooler. Unlike regular charging at home, which can take hours, superchargers can replenish your battery in minutes, not hours. It's like giving your car a shot of energy drink. Now, let's talk about finding a supercharger. Tesla's navigation system is your best friend. It's integrated with the supercharger network, so it will automatically route you to the nearest available station when your battery gets low. No more range anxiety or unexpected stops. It's like having a personal charging assistant. Once you arrive at the station, the process is surprisingly simple. Pull into a charging spot, pop open the charging port, and plug it in. No cards, no apps, no fuss. Your Tesla automatically communicates with the supercharger, and the charging process begins. It's as easy as plugging your phone into a charger. But how fast does it charge? Well, that depends on a few factors: the battery size of your Tesla, the current software version, and the type of supercharger. Tesla is constantly upgrading its supercharger network, with newer stations offering higher charging speeds. You can expect to add hundreds of miles of range in a matter of minutes. It's like recharging your phone on steroids. While your car is busy slurping up electrons, you don't have to sit idle. Most supercharger stations are located in convenient spots, like shopping centers, restaurants, and rest stops. You can grab a bite, stretch your legs, or even catch up on work. And don't worry about overcharging. Your Tesla's smart charging system will automatically stop when the battery is full. One question that often pops up is about the cost. Supercharging is included in the price of your Tesla for a certain number of kilowatt-hour, per year. After that, you pay a per kWh rate. But don't worry, it's still generally cheaper than filling up a gas tank. Plus, many Tesla owners opt for unlimited supercharging as part of their purchase, making it a completely hassle-free experience. So, there you have it. Charging your Tesla at a supercharger is a breeze. It's fast, convenient, and increasingly affordable. With Tesla's expanding supercharger network, long road trips are becoming more and more feasible. But remember, while superchargers are amazing, it's also important to take care of your battery overall. Avoid extreme temperatures, optimize charging habits, and consider using home charging whenever possible to prolong its lifespan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy charging.